How much alcohol have you had?
Like, probably twice the legal limit.
Twice the legal limit and we're driving? Why?
Because I have no other I can't.
Okay.
The 30th of August, 2024, Florida. A man was found sitting in his vehicle in a drive-through lane. Within 60 seconds of officer contact, he announced he was probably twice the legal limit.
340 Central, can you roll me 94? Okay, I'm gonna need you to get out of the car, okay? Step out of the car here. Step out of the car.
Okay.
Okay, I need you to go over there, okay?
She said, wait.
What?
She's telling the cars in line to go. So.
Okay, I'm telling you to get out of the car. So I need you to get out of the car.
That's great for you.
Okay, get out of the car for me. Okay.
Yo, why are you slamming my stuff? I literally can't.
Do you have a driver's license?
No.
You don't have a driver's license?
No.
Why are you driving? You don't have a driver's license, so we're driving for what reason? How much alcohol have you had?
Like, probably twice the legal limit.
Twice the legal limit and we're driving? Why?
Because I have no other I can't
Okay.
talk.
Okay.
Yo, like, stop being mean to me.
Not being mean.
Like,
Oh, I'm 10-4. Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
I'm not doing it.
You're going to turn the car off.
You're not going to.
I am going to tell you what to do. Turn the car off.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
That's not your start button. That's your AC. Wow.
No, like, literally.
No, like literally. You don't know how to turn your car off? Is it like a key or is it a push to start?
It's a fob.
It's a fob? Okay.
What are you doing?
Trying to find the way to turn your car off.
What are you doing?
Who is the one that has been out here?
It was. I was
Stop.
trying.
What is it? Were you the one that was handling this?
Yeah, when
Okay.
I first.
All right, perfect. Whoever's been in an interaction with him, can you
I'm
grab
sorry.
names, dates of birth, and phone numbers for me?
Yeah,
Perfect.
no problem.
You are not.
I am.
No, you're not.
I definitely
No,
am.
you are 100% not.
Okay. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
Yes.
340 Central.
3040 Central.
Can you run the RO and tell me if he has a driver's license?
I have a driver's license.
I mean, you told me you didn't.
I promise you I do.
Where's your driver's license out of?
New Jersey?
Okay.
What are you doing?
You're not getting out of the car.
I will gladly get out
I've
of the
asked
car.
you to get out of the car. Can you turn the car off?
No,
Why?
because you're being ridiculous.
How am I being ridiculous? Okay. All right.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off. Come on.
If you
Spin your feet.
touch,
Spin your feet and come out of the car. Nope. Get out of the car. Put your other foot out. You're going to go this way.
no, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You are. You're going to go this way.
If you touch
Get over
me
there.
like that,
Let's go. Come on. We're not doing this. Let's go. Come on.
why do you gotta do this?
Why are you intoxicated?
Because life
Go over
is
there.
genuine.
Come on. We're going over here. Let's go.
Like
You're coming over here. You're not controlling this situation.
No, it's fine.
Lean against my car. Lean against my car. Lean against my car. What are you doing? Fantastic. Go ahead.
Why would you do that to me?
Why are you drunk?
Because I am.
Fantastic. I'll be conducting a DUI investigation momentarily. Oh, he's a blast.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on here, sir.
Besides him bending over and telling me to KMA?
I have no choice.
Well, I mean, you have a choice with your words, so what exactly is going on? Why do you think she's being ridiculous?
Because I got him out of his car. He doesn't like me. Fine.
That's not true.
Well, you said it already, so...
That's actually not true.
Okay, we're going to go to the front of my car.
Well, I mean, mine's cool.
I'm just going to go to the front of my car. Do you mind standing with him? Go to the front of my car.
Yep.
Go to the front of my car.
We're on.
Yo, I'd appreciate you not talking to me like that.
Stand at the front of my car like I've asked you. Before I start this, are you able to move that car for me?
My car?
His car. Just so he didn't drive through.
Yeah,
Oh, wait,
it's,
right here.
you totally
His
can.
is the Audi.
The Audi.
Yeah.
We'll take care of that in a second.
I just don't want them. I don't care about that, but... Okay, face me. What's your first name?
Frank. I like it.
Okay, Frank, I have to ask you some questions, okay?
You don't have to ask me.
Yes, I do.
No, you can.
Are you wanting to cooperate? Hold on, Frank, I'll make this really simple. Are you wanting to cooperate with what she's trying to do here or no? Because otherwise she's got to go based off of what she's seen up to this point. And that can be used against you in court, so that's up to you. Do you want to cooperate with this or no?
Okay, then you need to focus on me. I appreciate him, but I'm trying to conduct an investigation right now, okay? Are you sick or injured?
I have multiple sclerosis.
Okay. Are you under the care of a doctor?
Yes.
For what?
Multiple sclerosis.
Okay. Are you diabetic?
Yes.
Do you take insulin?
Yes.
Are you epileptic?
Yes.
Okay. Are you under the care of a dentist? Are you under the care of a dentist? Are you under the care of a dentist?
None of your business.
Okay, so we'll go with no. Are you taking any medications? It's a yes or no question. Are you taking any medications? Okay. Do you have any physical handicaps?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you wanting to perform some field sobriety exercises? You're not wanting to? Okay. So based on, I'm going to ask you one more time if you want to perform. If you don't, then based on what I have observed will be how we proceed.
I don't care.
Okay. All right. Turn around. Place your hands behind your back for me.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yep.
That's right. You do that.
Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing anything.
You're going to be placed under arrest for suspicion of DUI. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke, stick, or harm these deputies when they search you?
Nope.
Lean against the car and spread your feet.
Which car is his?
The one
It's
blocking.
the Audi and the...
Oh, blocking the thing?
Correct.
Where?
The
That
Audi.
one?
Yep.
That one? Can you jump in that thing and move over here? You fit in that?
I was just waiting. Thank you.
Did you stop touching me?
You have to search you if you want. You got anything in your shoes that ain't filled up?
No.
No, you are.
Yeah,
All right, let's go.
you are.
Back to parking.
Yo.
Stop.
Hey, look.
Walk with me.
Look, let me tell you something. This is not the time to be an asshole. Let's go. Get in the car like you're told. You're in no position to
Well,
make any
you
demands
are
or anything. Sit down.
Sit down.
You are.
Charge you with resisting, too.
You really are.
Get your foot in there. Get your foot in the car.
Yo. What the?
Get your car.
Yep.
Charging with resisting.
Yes, sir.
Under Berkemer 5 McCarty, 4-8 S420, 19-4X, questions asked before custodial arrest. Do not require Miranda advisement. How much have you had to drink? Is a lawful pre-custodial question. The subject's answer, probably twice the legal limit, was not solicited through coercion. It was a spontaneous, voluntary elaboration that goes far beyond what the question required. Under Rhode Island Fauf Innis, 446 U, S 291, 1980. Interrogation means questions, or their functional equivalent, words designed to elicit an incriminating response. A routine investigative question is not interrogation under Innis. This single pre-custodial admission is the prosecution's anchor. It establishes both elements of DUI under Florida Statute, Section 316.193. A blood alcohol level approximately twice the 0.08% threshold, and voluntary acknowledgement of that impairment while operating a vehicle. The subject initially told officers he had no driver's license. Seconds later, he reversed. I promise you I do, out of New Jersey. Under Florida Statute, Section 843.085, providing false information to law enforcement is a chargeable offense. This reversal also creates a credibility problem at trial. A subject who changes a basic biographical fact within the same conversation is a less reliable witness in his own defense. Before field sobriety testing, the officer conducted the required pre-FST medical questionnaire. The subject disclosed multiple sclerosis, diabetes, insulin dependence, and epilepsy. These 4 conditions directly affect balance, coordination, and cognitive function, the precise faculties that field sobriety tests measure. Had the subject performed FSTs, his medical profile would have provided a strong reliability challenge. However, under South Dakota v. Neville, 459 U. S 5531, 983, refusal to cooperate with a DUI investigation is admissible at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. The refusal is both the subject's right and the prosecution's exhibit. By declining FSTs, the subject removed his own strongest defense. There are no unreliable test results to challenge. The prosecution's case rests on the officer's observations and the subject's own pre-arrest admission. Under Florida Statute Section 316.193, DUI can be proven through officer observations alone, driving pattern, physical signs of impairment, or a subject's voluntary admission of impairment. The officer's statement to the subject was legally precise. Based on what I have observed, that can be used against you in court. This is not coercion, it is an accurate description of how FST refusal affects the DUI case. The subject was placed under arrest for DUI under Miranda v. Arizona, 384, U.C. 436, 1966. Miranda obligations attached at the moment of arrest. No Miranda warning appears anywhere in 10 minutes of recorded footage. After arrest, the subject continued resisting officer direction, generating a separate charge. Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor, stacked on top of the DUI. The primary officer receives an A-. Methodical DUI investigation, correct pre-FST medical protocol, and Bodycam documentation of the spontaneous admission. Deduction. No Miranda delivery visible in footage after formal arrest. The assisting officer receives a B+. Effective scene management throughout. Deduction. On-camera statement calling the subject an asshole is unprofessional regardless of the provocation. The subject receives a D. Spontaneous admission within 60 seconds of contact. License denial reversed immediately. FST refusal that eliminated his best medical defense. Every decision compounded his exposure. Lesson 1 for everyone. You are not required to answer questions during a traffic stop, but if you choose to answer, and you say probably twice the legal limit, that answer is admissible without any Miranda warning. Lesson 2 for DUI cases specifically. Implied consent applies to chemical tests, not field sobriety tests. Refusing an FST is legal, but the refusal itself becomes evidence of consciousness of guilt at trial. Lesson 3 for officers. Miranda attaches at formal arrest declaration, not at booking, not at the patrol car. The absence of on-camera Miranda delivery after arrest creates a gap that defense counsel will exploit. Lesson 4 for anyone with medical conditions. Disclosing them before FST creates a validity challenge to the results, but declining FST entirely removes that challenge. Know which tool protects you before you make that choice. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more content.